So that's the rig there. It's just a barrel knot to kind of snug it up where it is, and we jammed it so it's where it's supposed to be. Yeah. All right. What's breaking at? Is it breaking?
It will break in, and I think 100 kilos.
1600.
600.
600. Okay. What we got?
Will break 650 kilos.
1,002.
Huh? Evan, it's 100 crowns who's closest. What do you reckon?
2 bears. That
It's 100 crowns to whoever's closest. Yeah, you think?
Okay, 100 crown. That it's it's breaking.
All right. What do you reckon?
It's 100.
All right.
How many tons do you have?
3.5.
3.5 tons.
What do you reckon's breaking at?
We have 600.
All right. I'm gonna say it's not gonna break. I'm gonna say the rope's gonna break.
But it has to go to more than 3 tons.
Yeah, but the rope won't make it to 3 tons.
Oh.
I reckon it'll. I don't know. I reckon it'll cut out a bit over a ton.
1 ton.
A bit over with a knot in it. Maybe it's old. It's been used. I don't know. Jesus. There it on. Yeah, it's punched it.
Yeah, it did. Really fast.
That was low. Who was the lowest? That was. Yeah. Good.
Yeah, you're right. Nothing.
Nothing.
What's the best one?
This is right. Yeah, this is the good one.
Approved.
Yeah, this is approved. Yeah, I'm alright with that.